In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up direct deposit on Chime. The process is simple and can be done directly inside the Chime mobile app. First, open the Chime app on your phone and log into your account. Once you're on the main screen, look at the bottom menu and tap on the option that says Move. After tapping that, you'll see an option near the top labeled Set up Direct Deposit. Go ahead and select that. From here, Chime gives you multiple ways to set up direct deposit. The first and most recommended method is to provide your routing number and account number directly to your employer or payroll provider. Chime makes this very easy by clearly displaying your routing and account numbers on the screen. There's also a copy button, which allows you to quickly copy the information to your clipboard so you can paste it into a payroll form or send it securely to your employer. If you prefer not to manually provide your banking details, there's another option available. You can tap the button that says Find Employer. This allows you to search for your employer directly within the app. Simply type in the name of your workplace. For example, if you work at CVS, you would search for it and select it from the list. Chime may then prompt you to sign in through a secure third-party verification service like Ping Identity. By entering your work account username and password, the system can securely connect your payroll account to your Chime account and automatically set up direct deposit. If you don't immediately see your employer listed, you can use the search bar to look it up. Chime also includes options for gig workers and payroll providers, so there are many supported employers available within the app. Once everything is connected and confirmed, your future paychecks should be deposited directly into your Chime account. And that's it. That's how you set up direct deposit on Chime. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like and subscribe for more easy tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.